Hey friends, ETPC here. I'm sure you've all experienced your nail clippers not working, coming apart. Well, we're going to show you how to fix that today. So here you have it. The three basic components, and I'm not sure what they're called, but we're going to put it together. So, if you look at this, it's got a little notch right there. That's going to be the part where this part goes. Okay, so what you want to do is grab your little pin, and with the cap on the end, you want to push it through like that. Okay. Now you want to take this, and you'll notice that this has a little chunk out of it. So you want to push the can't even think right now, the nail cutters together, the little pincher part. Slide your little tab under that part that is sticking up, and then release the pressure, and there you have it. Your nail cutters are back together. Thanks for watching, my friends. Take care.